Let's be honest, nobody likes needles. But what if getting your blood drawn was as painless as checking your phone? That future isn't decades away, it's here. The fear of that sharp pinch causes millions to delay or completely avoid crucial medical tests. It's a stressful process for patients and a technical challenge for doctors, sometimes requiring multiple painful attempts. It's a system begging for an upgrade. Well, the upgrade has arrived. A company called BD just got FDA clearance for the miniDraw capillary blood collection system. Forget the needle in your arm. This device gets a lab-quality sample from a simple, nearly painless fingertip collection. It's less invasive, needs just a fraction of the blood, and doesn't even require a phlebotomist. So how does it work? Instead of a deep puncture, it uses incredibly fine micro-punctures, creating channels thinner than a human hair. A gentle vacuum then draws a tiny, precise amount of capillary blood. All the data with none of the drama. This changes everything. Imagine getting your lipid panel or hemoglobin checked at your local pharmacy while you shop. This makes preventative care and managing chronic conditions like high cholesterol ridiculously convenient. It removes the fear and makes healthcare more accessible for everyone, especially in underserved communities. This isn't just a cool new gadget, it's the end of an era. The painful, intimidating blood draw is being replaced by something smarter, faster, and designed for you. Healthcare is finally catching up with the convenience we expect everywhere else.